Send bulk SMS and run campaigns, right inside Salesforce with messageblink. From the top menu you see campaign, so just simply click on campaign. Click new to create your campaign. Set a clear name like event name. In this example, I've already created a campaign, so I'll click on the one I made earlier to open it. Now click on Add Leads. Add leads to your campaign. Click Next button. Then, Submit, and your leads selected for a campaign. Now type your message directly and personalize them. Here you see message preview. Then click Send, and your message will go to all the selected leads instantly. And if you want to check whether the message was sent to your selected leads, click on Leads and open the specific record. Here, you'll be able to see your message in the message history. Here you can view full message history in a clean, scrollable thread. Try messageblink today and keep every customer conversation right where it belongs. Book your free demo today.